Wooden hanging decor application. Place the material on the working area. Press the autofocus button to obtain the optimal focal length. Set the laser parameters. Press the Start button to begin the processing. Wooden materials, known for their natural texture and excellent workability, are widely used in creative cultural products, festive gifts, and home decor. With GCC LaserPro's laser engraving technology, users can precisely etch zodiac patterns, celebratory text, and personalized elements. Laser engraving in progress. Sample is completed.